Welcome to the channel. I'm Shadow Scout Swede. Today I'm going to do a video about one of my books I got for Christmas. And here it is, The Essential Guide to Prepping. 45 Survival Tips for Beginners. And it's written by David Pearson. But before we get into this video, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Okay, here is the book I got for Christmas. The Essential Guide to Prepping, 45 Survival Tips for Beginners. And I have to say, I love this cover. And I love the colors, red, white, and black. And the background really fits this cover and for the topic this book mentions. And it is written by the survivalist David Pearson. And it's not really Big Monkey. His name is also David Pearson. So this is two different persons, by the way. And on the back, it has a lot of information. And I will read some of it, not all, but some. Unexpected doesn't have to mean unprepared. In today's fragile economic, political, environmental, and social climate, it is easy to see the necessity for becoming more self-reliant. Disasters such as Hurricane Katrina, the Japan earthquake, nuclear disaster, and the Boston bombing have relayed to us again and again that no one is left untouched in tragedies such as these. Survivalist David Pearson takes you through 45 of the most essential survival tips, helping you to rethink your backup plans or create new ones should you not already have disaster preparedness measures in place. And it also says, inside you'll find 45 DIY tips on repurposing what you already have, disaster nutrition, survival myths and common mistakes, bugging out and personalizing a bug out bag, bugging in a variety of locations, water purification, climate considerations, portable food options, personal security, herbal first aid, and foraging. And there is something more I can read, but I won't do that. But I think this is a good book. I haven't read this yet, but I will. And so far, it seems really good and looks good too. What this book contains. We have, and the text is a good size, especially for me, who is dyslexic. So I think this text, the size of the fonts is really good for me, so I have no problems to read it. The essentials, food, water, and shelter is one chapter, and we have a chapter 2, food. Food is necessary, but water as well. Canned goods and dried grains, beans, and seeds, oatmeal, dehydrated and freeze-dried foods, MREs. And this book seemed to contain a lot of good information. Oh, even farm animals. That's awesome. And water, which is really essential and crucial for our survival. We don't last long without water. So water is number one, basically. And it mentions obtaining and storing water, preparing your own, using drums, the backpack. Well, it has a lot of information in this book. Plants, berries, and mushrooms, and rain collection. And it also mentioned a solar still, which is really nice. And how many pages are there in this book? Well, actually 81 pages. And on page 80 it is a conclusion, which is always nice to have. And on page 81 there is about the author. 82 pages. More by David Pearson. Infused 26 spa-inspired natural vitamin waters. Pretty cool. And here's the thing with this book. Notes. You have a section here for notes. So you have at least, 3 pages where you can put notes. So that is not often you see that in a book. But I have 3 more books, but the other 3 will be another videos. I do one book at a time. I don't want to make the video too long, but I will read this and make a review on this one, and so I'm looking forward to read this. And this one I probably read pretty quick, so as soon as I get some time, I will read this and give you what I think about it, and give you a proper review on it. So this is a Christmas gift I'm really happy with. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos and go live. So thank you guys for stopping by, and thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And thank you for your support. Also, much appreciated. Until the next time, stay safe, be prepared, stay vigilant. God bless. Shadows Godspeed. Out.